Hi, it's Shelly and welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? In today's video, we are off on a bucket list adventure, hanging out with elephants in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Throw in a bonus cooking class and now you know what we're doing today. We met up with our guide at the Pawn Elephant office, which was about a 5-minute walk from our hotel. We were escorted into a comfortable van and we're on our way. You can't wipe the smile off my face. Our tour today includes a cooking class, so on the way we reviewed the menus and made our choices for the class. First stop is a local market where we watch some coconuts being prepared and shredded. Our tour guide Sam explained about the various spices and ingredients used in Thai cooking. Then we were allowed a bit of exploring the market on our own. We absolutely love the markets in Thailand. Like, everyone seems to have something just a little bit unique and different. Back on the road again, the trek to the elephant sanctuary is about an hour and 10 minutes. Once we arrived, change rooms were provided so we could get into our swim gear for later in the day. We're off on the walk for our first meeting with the elephants. There they are, just a sketchy little bridge between us and them. First glimpse of these magnificent beauties. This little guy is about 2 years old and she was a cutie.
Oh my gosh, they're huge. I didn't realize how big they were. Oh my gosh, he's tiny.
After introductions, we had an opportunity to spend one-on-one time with them, feeding them from a cute swing. I can't stop smiling. I am in my happy place. Aren't their feet just adorable? Couple of nice close-up shots. Elephants are so smart. This one had a large stick and then she ended up taking it off to break it down with her trunk. Because the big one, she knows she's being fed here, eh? There were 3 elephants in this group, and this one had worked in an entertainment before, and she reverted to her old tricks in order to get her handler to give her some food, curling up her trunk like that. Our guide told us actually this was good because it kind of gave them an opportunity to look into their mouths and make sure everything was okay in there. Enough playing with the elephants for now. There'll be more later. We're off to start our cooking class. There were 6 of us in our class, Kathy and I and a group of 4 ladies from Poland. Kitchen setup was great with some amazing surroundings. We were served a nice cold lemongrass juice, and then we were shown around their gardens. Our stations were all ready for us. Sam went through the whole process of preparing each dish for us while we observed. First up was pad thai. Her instructions were thorough and not rushed, and we just watched as she made the first batch for us.
At the bottom. Yeah, and then stir one more time. And then after that, squeeze all the sauce around the wall.
Next, we went back to our own stations and got to work at cooking our pad thai. Turned out pretty good. Next was our instructions on making the paste for the cow soy noodles. We were each given our ingredients to make the paste, and we were off to pounding. She then demonstrated how to make the broth, and then we were off to make our own. Next up was our instructions on making mango sticky rice. We had 3 choices for coloring the rice, and I picked the purple one. Kathy picked the green one. Next, we put the dish together and decorated it to look pretty. Pretty proud of my cow soy. We were given some little samples of some authentic Thai dishes, and they were delicious. It was my birthday on the day of this recording, and they brought me out a little birthday cake to celebrate. It was so thoughtful. We had a great group for this cooking class, and we enjoyed it so much. Now it's back for more elephant time. We were given lots of opportunity to interact with the elephants and to feed them. They're really food motivated. Oh, we were joined by this really little baby, and she was a hit with the crowd. The elephants aren't caged at all at this reserve, and they're free to do as they please while you're with them. If they want to leave, they're free to go. This was the only bull elephant from the group that we saw today. He was very big, but very gentle, and they encouraged him to interact with him, which he seemed to really enjoy. The other group of elephants were two sisters and two of their babies, one a bit older than the other. The little one was still nursing. She was a little bit naughty, and she headbutted Kathy and swung her foot out to kick her. Apparently, though, this is just wanting to play. You don't realize how big these animals are until they're up close to you. If tail wagging indicates happiness, this girl is pretty happy. Elephant caretakers are called mahouts, and they're responsible for the daily care, health, bathing, feeding, and communication with the elephant. Mahouts form deep familial bonds with their elephants, often starting as children. You can tell the elephants really love their caretakers. Apparently, they will grieve if their caretaker is no longer with them. Our final viewing stop is going to be at the river after following this lovely walking path. The elephants really seem to enjoy this playing in the water ritual. I didn't go in. I'm not really that brave in the water, and it was freezing. Kathy was a trooper though, and she went in. Although I didn't catch it on camera, one of the elephants filled her trunk with water and sprayed it all over Kathy. They only take 2 elephants at a time into the water with you, and then afterwards you have another opportunity to interact with them. We didn't go in, or I did.
And Moyo, she's another already. You're not the one in the morning. The little one. Yeah. You can't imagine like when yeah.
After you're finished with this opportunity to feed them a little more, they head up, and then another group goes in. After you're done here, they take you by truck back to the starting point to get dressed and ready for the trip back to Chiang Mai. I can't ever put into words what an amazing day this was. I'm blessed to have had the opportunity to experience this and to be able to share it with all of you. I hope you're enjoying our Chiang Mai series, and if you've missed any episodes, I'll put the link to the playlist at the end of the video and in the link below. You'll find the link to our blog down there as well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video of our continuing adventures in Chiang Mai, Thailand.